It's 80. I'm in a dress shirt. Good morning, guys. Oh, let's fix that. Much better. It's a gorgeous day outside. I'm gonna go find something to do, but first, coffee. So I'm about to go to the office for a little bit and get some work done, clean some stuff up. It's technically my day off, but we're so busy at work that I gotta stop in and get some stuff done. But in this video, I wanted to give you a couple of ways how you can learn on the go, because I know a lot of people have a busy schedule, hectic, life's always moving, myself included. I always got my backpack with me. I just wanted to give you 3 easy things that you can do to better yourself each day while having a busy schedule. So let's go. It's so colorful and vibrant. Spring is finally here. So the first piece of advice to better your life every day is to wake up a little earlier. And I know it seems like a drag, but if you just woke up 10 minutes earlier and read, as opposed to sleeping or hitting that snooze button for 10 minutes, think of how much your life would improve if you could use that 10 minutes to read or do something that brings you further towards your goals. 10 minutes, that's all it takes. Either 10 minutes waking up early or 10 minutes before you go to bed. Read, self-improvement. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. So let's go. All right, guys, so my second tip, and it kind of got me on this train of thought because I was doing it, is listening to podcasts. Going back to my last tip real quick, I know it's a lot easier said than done, but guys, if you honestly just stay up 10 minutes later or wake up 10 minutes earlier and you read for 10 minutes, that is gonna help you out so much. You are gonna improve your life so much. It's gonna be those small little victories that you do that are gonna compound themselves each and every day to make that bigger win over the long term. So just keep that in mind, you know what I mean? When you're setting your alarm the night before, or you're really, really tired and you want to just close your eyes, keep that in mind, that the long term, it's gonna pay off. But for my next tip, guys, if you're in a hectic schedule, if you're busy like I am, podcasts are so key. If you're not listening to podcasts, in particular self-improvement or podcasts in your business, you need to be. Listen to a podcast while you're driving. You're in the car, I don't know how much, but you always have your phone on you. Buy a pair of headphones. If you take public transit, you know, listen to them while you're walking to work, on public transit to work, while you're driving to work, or, you know, whenever you're in the car or you're traveling. Guys, use them to your advantage. They're all free and they'll help you improve your life so much. A couple of the ones that I recommend are Andy Frisella with the MFCEO Project, Amanda Bucci Radio, Gary Vee, obviously, you know, Tony Robbins has one, Ed Milet, he doesn't post that often, but the ones that he does have on there are amazing. There's so many, Tim Ferriss has one. Guys, there's so many good free podcasts out there, and not everyone runs ads, and even if they do, you can just skip ahead, skip the 15 seconds if you don't like them. So podcasts are definitely a key. You need to be listening to them in order to improve yourself on a hectic or busy schedule. So I'm back home right now. It's 80. I'm in a dress shirt. I'm gonna go change. I'm gonna go get a coffee, and I will give you the final tip. So I decided to get a Monster instead of a coffee, but let's keep this video rolling. So my last tip would be to use opportunities where you'd be social to improve yourself. And what I mean by this is instead of every weekend or every night going out with your bros, use that time to network with other people, whether it be with an actual networking event, networking group. Go out with like-minded people who want to better themselves too. You can use sites like Meetup, you can join forums, anywhere that you think that you could benefit from, and not just benefit yourself, but you know, give something of value back, so be mutually beneficial. For instance, in my last video you guys saw that I went to a networking event and I got a lot of value out of it. There's people there that taught me things that I never knew that seemed so obvious. So join a networking group, join, you know, a club of some sort, and I hope you guys can see the value in surrounding yourself with like-minded people, or people who are just a level above you. That'll force you to up your game. That'll force you to, you know, raise your standards, so to speak. And you have to set high standards for yourself, because if you don't, you'll always play to the bare minimum. Last thing I want to leave you with is excellence is a habit. Excellence is a choice. All right, go out there, be great, and do everything right here that I told you to do, and that's how you can improve yourself even with a hectic schedule. So that's all I got. Please give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Thanks so much.